Do you often arrive home late because of traffic troubles? Maybe you're frequently exhausted from your hectic days at work. Or could you simply be trying to shed some extra pounds? These are all common reasons people give for skipping dinner. Friends, dinner is beneficial for your body, mind, and well-being. I'm going to share some scary reasons why you shouldn't sleep on an empty stomach. Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz, MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health. Consistently skipping dinner can cause weight gain in the long run. Missing your last meal may seem to be an easy way to meet your weight loss goal, but this strategy is likely to backfire. It can slow down your metabolism and often nudge you to eat more upon waking up. This can put you at a risk for obesity and severe nutritional deficiencies. Treat dinner as your last chance of the day to supply the body with the nutrients it requires. Going to sleep hungry can increase tension and stress, leaving you more prone to mood swings. This not only affects you, but it negatively impacts the people around you. Dinner is a perfect time to catch up on what's going on in each other's lives. It strengthens bonds and is a social lubricant. People who dine together tend to be happier and are more satisfied with their relationships. Children and teens benefit greatly from a family dinner ritual. They are more likely to earn more A's in school and are less likely to suffer from obesity. So set time to enjoy dinner with family and friends. Missing the last meal of the day messes up your body's clock. Shifts in mealtime disrupts your circadian rhythm. It's the internal clock that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. These disturbances to the circadian rhythm are associated with impulsivity, disordered eating, and obesity. We don't want you to ever miss dinner, so we put together a list of nutritious options that you can prepare in a jiffy. Number 5. How about some veggie stir fry with tofu? This is a nutritious and delicious plant-based meal that can satisfy your hunger and boost your health. It features tofu, a soy product that provides high-quality protein to support your muscles and keep you full. It can be enjoyed with a variety of vegetables such as carrots, broccoli, and mushroom that are rich in fiber and antioxidants. Fiber helps your digestion and lowers your risk of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and stroke. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage and inflammation. This dish is easy to make and customize with your favorite seasoning and sauces. Just remember, go easy on the salt and sugar. You won't even miss the meat. Number 4. Let's spice things up with chicken fajita and lettuce wraps. This is a tasty and healthy meal that can satisfy your craving for Mexican cuisine. Chicken provides a lean protein source that helps you build muscle and maintain strength. Adequate protein intake becomes particularly important as we age because it helps us retain bone mineral density. This dish uses fresh lettuce leaves to wrap the chicken and vegetables that gives it a nice crunch. Lettuce is an excellent source of beta-carotene needed for healthy skin and eyes. Bell peppers are high in fiber, which slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. They are famously abundant in vitamin C, which can lower blood sugar levels. But did you know that bell peppers also contain beta-carotene, which is converted by the body into vitamin A, then becomes a natural sunblock and protects our skin from photo damage. So go ahead and enjoy that flavorful fiesta. Number 3. Let's head to Asia with a delicious serving of beef and broccoli. This is a savory and healthy meal that features lean beef, a high-quality protein, and a top-rate source of iron. Iron helps produce hemoglobin, which has a key role in transporting oxygen throughout the body. This dish includes broccoli, which has compounds called glycosinolates, which may protect against certain cancers. It is also a source of fiber, great for lowering cholesterol levels. Go ahead and let this street dish transport you to the Far East. Number 2, for all the seafood lovers out there, shrimp and avocado salad is the clear winner. Shrimp, though low in calories, provide high quality protein and is a fantastic source of selenium. Selenium is an essential trace mineral that's a potent antioxidant. That means it protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. It is also crucial for thyroid health. Avocado is a creamy fruit that brims with monounsaturated fats. It lowers the bad cholesterol and it raises the good kind. Shrimp and avocado is a combo that will leave your taste buds delighted and your body satisfied. And number 1, salmon and roasted Brussels sprouts. This is a hearty meal that's a nutrient superstar. It features salmon, an awesome source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and lowers blood pressure, which is amazing for your heart. It improves blood flow to the brain, strengthening your memory and enabling you to learn new things faster. This dish can include a variety of vegetables. We like it with Brussels sprouts because it contains alpha-lipoic acid, which has powerful antioxidant properties. It can reduce inflammation, promote healthy nerve function, lower heart disease risk, and slow the progression of memory loss. This meal is easy to prepare and can be seasoned with your favorite herbs and spices. These are fantastic and wholesome dinner options to fuel your body and keep you on your path to good health. It's advisable to eat dinner that's balanced and light in calories. So keep the portions controlled and go easy on the salt and sugar when whipping this at home. Leave about 3 hours between your last meal and bedtime. With a little time management and preparation, you never have to sleep on an empty stomach again. It was a great pleasure sharing these quick to prepare dinner options with you. Tell me if you're having me over for dinner tonight, what would you prepare? I'm excited to find out. Comment down below. Join us again for our upcoming episodes where we'll continue to 10x your success by optimizing your health. Remember, eating dinner has various positive effects, but the quantity, quality, and timing also matters. So stay on target.